dear friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Vanessa. Today is our public holiday again. We have one day off. Maybe you have guessed the reason. Yes, our traditional festival is coming. This is our third traditional festival in this year, called Dragon Boat Festival. 端午节 Dragon Boat Festival is one of China's 4 traditional festivals. The other 3 festivals are Spring Festival, Qingming Festival, and Mid-Autumn Festival. Spring Festival and Qingming Festival I had shared with you in the previous videos. If you are interested in, you can watch that video after this video. I promise, when you watch those 3 videos, you will learn a lot about our Chinese festival culture and our customers. Okay, let's start our today's topic. Dragon Boat Festival. 端午节，端午节的午安，端午鸡耶节，端午节。The Dragon Boat Festival is to commemorate a great man, Qu Yuan, who was a point of Chu during the Warring States period. Also, he was a patriotic poet. He created a lot of famous poetry for us. In the Dragon Boat Festival, what will we do? According to the Dragon Boat, maybe you know we have dragon boat races, but it depends on different places in China. Like my city, we don't have this customer. In China, a common customer in different regions is to eat 粽子, a kind of sticky food. Some places of China like to eat salty 粽子, and some places like to eat sweet 粽子。
赛龙舟，赛龙舟，斯埃塞，勒翁龙，知欧洲。赛龙舟，龙，龙，了翁龙，龙，舟，舟，知欧洲。舟，船，船，吃乌安船，船，比赛，比赛，波一比。斯埃塞，比赛，粽子，粽子，滋翁粽，滋一子，粽子。
Speaking 粽子, I know some friends are very curious. I show you. This is 粽子. Generally use the bamboo leaves to wrap 粽子. Inside is sticky rice and stuffed with meat, or red dates, or bean paste, or sausages and nuts. So some people like to eat salty zones, and some people like to eat sweet zones. For me, I like eat sweet zones. Thank you for watching this video. Today I share with you about Dragon Boat Festival. I hope you learned something. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe to me and share my video to other people. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye.